Good morning. About ready to head out for day 39. Going to be heading down to Standing Bear Hostel, hopefully. That's going to be a little over 10.5 miles, and looks like got about 1,500 feet of ascent, but we're going to have about 4,500 of descent, so it's going to be a big downhill day. Hopefully my knee holds up to it. It's been talking to me pretty good here the past couple of days. I guess that first day back on the trail with all the snow and ice slipping and sliding, I must have twisted it somehow, and it's swollen up a little bit and given me a few little problems stiffening, but we'll just work through that and move on down the trail and see what day 39 has to hold. Trail for day 39. Okay, stopping in at Davenport Gap. This is the last one, and you see they have chain link fence there. And they've removed all the other chain link fence because we found out that idiots that would come camping would feed the bears through the wire. So now they've removed it, but this is the last one to show it. We'll see you down the trail. Okay, leaving the Smokies. Gotta drop off the permit. Get in there. Oops. Let's not litter. Alright. Onward for day 39. Okay, made it out of the Smokies, so finished up the Smoky section of the AT. On my way to Standing Bear Hostel. Hopefully be able to get a room for the night and get cleaned up and do some laundry and resupply on my way to Hot Springs. But one thing I remembered that I didn't mention, my new hat. We found this in one of the shelters, and we're just bringing it forward to see who may have lost it. It's a nice Aussie leather hat and worked great in the rain today, so that was pretty cool. But just going to carry it on up to the hostel to see if anybody claims it. If not, it fits me perfectly, so I may just have me a new chapeau for the rest of the trip. So we'll just see on what's on down the trail for day 39. Well, here's a beautiful surprise to come across walking down the trail. More trail for day 39. Got a bit of a road walk on this section and crossing the Pigeon River Bridge. Okay, checking in at Standing Bear Farms. Made it the 10.5 miles here. Knee did relatively okay, so closing day 39 out at Standing Bear Farms. Going to take a few photos and look around here. It's a pretty neat place, and I can see why it's a popular spot to stop off at.
I'm driving down an empty freeway, no waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sun